Hey guys, we're all looking to add to our menu of easy kid-approved dinners. These turkey burger sliders take 3 minutes to mix up. You can throw them on the grill or a skillet. Let your kids top them their own way, and you have the perfect summer dinner.
I'm Meg, and I'm passionate about finding ways to make life with kids easier in the kitchen.
So let's go through our ingredients. You'll need some ground turkey, garlic powder, onion powder, some Montreal steak seasoning, breadcrumbs, and an egg. And then of course you'll need some slider buns, and we're gonna mix up a sauce with mayo and mustard. Today for my ground turkey, I'm using a cut that's 85% lean. They also have one that's 93% lean, but that tends to produce a drier burger. Now when it comes to hamburgers made with beef, I'm a purist and I don't like to add a lot of things, but with turkey burgers, especially if you're grilling them, they can start to crumble. So today we're gonna use a binder. So I have one egg that I'm gonna add, and then I have some breadcrumbs. Today I'm using just a regular breadcrumb, but you can also use panko or even oatmeal. Next up we have our seasoning, and this is where you can get really creative and just try different things until you find the perfect match for your kids. Today I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic powder, not too much because it is a strong flavor, and really just a dash of onion granules. And finally I have some Montreal steak seasoning. We use this so much during the summer when we're grilling outside because it's just a great combination of salt and pepper, and I swear this is the secret for keeping your burgers moist. Now I'll just use a fork to mix everything up. You can see the turkey meat is pretty moist, which is why those breadcrumbs are necessary. Now that our turkey is all mixed up, all we have to do is form our burgers. You can obviously make whatever size you like, but my kids love sliders, so today we're gonna keep them small. So I'm gonna grab a handful and then just mold them into a patty. Now I like to get these pretty thin, and I always find the most important part is to make sure that they're not puffing up in the middle, so I just add a little dent there. Okay, our burger patties are formed. You can throw them onto a really hot grill or even a skillet. Today, we're gonna use the grill on my stove, which I hardly ever use, but it's a little overcast and a great reason to try it out. The key to making a good turkey burger is a really hot grill so they don't stick. And I'll flip them after 5 minutes when you can see grill marks. While my burgers are grilling, I'm just gonna mix up a really simple sauce. It's just a little bit of mayo and some mustard that I'll add to it and just mix together. I don't know why, but my kids absolutely love this, and they also add ketchup. The burgers are off the grill. I have some mini pretzel buns that are a super way to serve them. So I'm just gonna put a burger on each, top it with a little bit of our sauce, and then a little Boston lettuce. I always love to put a little ketchup, some pickle chips, and some avocados out. That way the kids can customize their own.
What do you put on yours, Brixie?
Avocado.
I hope you guys are looking forward to a long, relaxing summer with lots of meals outside. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.